Hey Rocky, this is Steve. Here's what I would do. You are using the roof plan layer set. Just click here and then hit select all. Click this twice and turn everything off. Then click it again. Find the wall layers and say main layer only and walls normal, wherever that is, right here. Then type in roof and find roof planes. Turn it on. I would change the line type to solid and maybe increase the weight to say 80 or 80. Yeah. Hit OK, and there's your clean looking set. And I like to actually lock this layer so that I'm not constantly grabbing the walls. You also have rooms here, but there's your roof lines, nice and clean, easy to see. That's what I would do. Hope it helps.